The one day I decided to outlive it, and we're making videos.
No pressure.
Following on a little bit from the 10-minute I did last week, guys. We actually ended up with one of the buildings we built. Actually, the building that Maple built for me, that I did my previous 10-minute presentation with, in the property guide in the West Australian on Wednesday.
Well done.
I've highlighted the section there that sort of speaks about the building that, I think the article was actually about something else, but they needed to fill it, so the second half of it, they filled it with our building. There's a photo at the bottom there, which Marcy took for us, which has been used for all the marketing, and that's actually away, and the lease commenced yesterday, so that's a good start. Another little project we're working on, and I'll hand this around, we're actually building the Mosman Park men's shed as a community facility. If you'd like to have a look through that, it gives you an idea of what a men's shed is and the sort of scope of works we're having to take on there as well. So for constructive advice and to build your business on a strong foundation, contact Andrew Roberts from Maple Building.
They've stolen your idea for the men's shed.
They have.
Good morning, everybody. Rob Eldridge from Planet Bamboo and Global Window Fashions. I want to show a new product which I think Miss Kate's going to be very excited about. This is a brand new pelmeting system that we're going to have available pretty much immediately. It enables us to put fabric in. We can do different sizes. It's a laser cut product that can be used internally or externally. It's marine ply at the top, so we can mount the blinds into that. You can have any cut shape that you wish. There's about 8 standard designs, and then anything that you can imagine can actually be cut into the pelmets. So that's a great product, especially where people are looking for insulation as well, so it actually has the top section on it too. So if you know anybody who actually has a window that has a blind on it or a curtain on it, looks a little unfinished, this is the perfect add-on type product. So it comes in all sorts of different colours, powder coats, different designs, different finishes, so it's a very, very exciting new product that we have available. So close your blinds and enjoy the view with your new pelmet.
Can you make a room out of that?
I can make you a house out of it, Marcy, no problems at all. Cost you $4.8 million, but that's fine.
Good morning, my Friday friends. Cheryl McBride from Marketing Talk. I'm a freelance marketer and I love to work with businesses that want to get noticed, remembered and referred more through their marketing. And I've had a lot of fun with the coffee sessions. The Thursday I put it out, filled the Thursday session. The Friday I put it out to those on the standby and filled a second session. And then yesterday I put another newsletter out and filled the third session. I've got 5 on the standby list. So everybody's into their caffeine fix this year. So every day you delay your marketing, it's a gift to your competition.
It is, isn't it? Good morning, everybody. My name's Len King, business strategist and mentor. My business is Red Day Coaching. Last meeting before we broke up in December, I talked about standards. There's no such thing as perfection, only standards. So I'm just wondering whether any of you have put your standards in place for this year. A personal standard could be for those that are married to have a date night with their spouse, make a difference, or have one night during the week where you can actually have a family meeting or family dinner with no TV, and you can actually sit around and talk. In your business, what standard have you put in place to wow your clients? In other words, make them raving fans. If you haven't done that or don't know how to do that, that's what we do. We can show you how. So if you or anyone you know would like to find out how to do that, please give me a call, where we take the complex and make it simple doable. Len King from Red Day Coaching.
Good morning, everyone. Wayne from Notions Design. This chapter's graphic designer. Something that I've talked about before, and that is I got a call from a gentleman a couple of weeks ago who rang up and said he wanted a business card. I sort of politely said to him, well, don't just do business cards. What exactly do you need? He goes, well, you know, I need the information on the card and I need it printed, but I need something for my name. So eventually it came about that he actually wanted a logo, not so much a card. That was the most important thing that he needed. From that initial contact, we've developed a logo, stationery, we're working on a brochure, and he's also then wanting to look at a website. And so these sorts of products, again, I can use and give people in this group work. But it just goes to show that some people's perceptions of what we do, what they actually ask for and how they communicate it, sometimes you need to delve a little bit deeper. So for complete branding solutions, Notions Design. Thank you.
Good morning all. Kate Beeson, Interiors Infusion. This chapter's interior decorator.
One of the things I do is material selections, and it can be anything from fixtures and fittings which are in the home to furnishings, wall coverings and accessories such as rugs, cushions, artwork. Wallpaper at the moment is very popular. This is something I'm putting into a home to create a luxury look. And I can help you or someone you know define a look that they are trying to achieve in their home or workplace. A couple of hours will take the con out of confusion and create fusion in their interior spaces. So call me, Kate, Interiors Infusion, fusing elements into a unique whole.
And I've got it all on film. I reckon you got a cute little bum.
I don't know about the little one, but anyway.
Bev Moffat, Travel and Cruise Fundamentals, located in Southland Shopping Centre and the Leeming Shopping Forum. This morning I thought I'd just let you know about Europe river cruising. It is a big ticket item and it tends to attract more of an older market, but if you do know anybody who's interested in doing that, the new product for 2013 has just been released and there are some really good deals to be had. So if you do have anybody and you can pass on our details, we'd love to be able to help them at Travel and Cruise Fundamentals, where we educate you to explore the world for a better travel experience. Thank you.
Yeah, this is good. Everyone gets caught on the table. I now see what everyone's tripping over. Nathan Gudgeon, Nation West. One of the great things with Nation West is that we are independent of franchise operations like Aussie Home Loans or Mortgage Choice. What that allows us to do is choose the lenders we want on our panel, so that we've got a much larger selection. So when we get first home buyers or people looking to invest or any financing situation, we can choose a lender that is suitable for them rather than having to meet quotas or work to a franchise model. Nathan Gudgeon, Nation West.
Morning all, David Clark, this chapter's barrister, solicitor, proctor and settlement agent. Well, I noticed my certificate when I was admitted to practice in the Supreme Court says I'm admitted as a barrister, solicitor and proctor. I've got no idea what a proctor is, but I'm one of them. We actually, as I alluded to 2 weeks ago, practice in all areas of law with the exception of family law and criminal law. So if you have insurance issues, if you have, know someone's had a car accident, all those kind of areas we do canvass. Predominantly we're property, but even if you've got someone that runs into a family law problem or a criminal law problem, we have other lawyers that we can happily refer you to. However, our prime business here is obviously property settlements, and we're looking after the mums and dads. So if you know anyone in that regard, I suppose that's our main area that we're attacking. Remember, with one-stop settlements, it's a discounted fee but not a discounted service.
Proctor's got an amateur proctologist. Good morning, everyone. Paul Mellamack from Ripe Communications, this chapter's telecommunication partner. Now, guys, we're in the sales game, and a number of you have met me or dealt with me know that we're pretty sharp on any opportunity, any lead. I'm smiling at you, Ben. Look, we'd love referrals from today's meeting, no doubt. But I guess I'm trying to introduce a new category of an opportunity, and all I want is an opportunity for a person in the business that's next to you just to give us their name, because out of 10 people that we'll get, I guess a quarter of them will have 6 months left on their contract, and out of those, most of them will be with Telstra and Optus. So that gives us 2 opportunities out of that. And my guys are pretty good enough, they're really good enough to be able to close out 1 and 2 out of that. So we'll probably close 1 in 10, even just from a name from the building next to you. So if you can think about it at that level, we'd appreciate that opportunity. Paul Mellamack from Ripe Communications.
Good morning everyone, Mandy from Worldwide Online Printing, this chapter's print supplier. Today I just want to remind you, I know we've only just hit March, but we've got 3 months until the end of financial year, so think about your marketing and think about your stationery items to get in so you can claim it on your tax. Mandy from Worldwide Online Printing.
Morning, Jeffrey. Morning, everyone. Peter from Vehicle, Mechanical and Air Conditioning. Just a reminder to everybody that anybody that's has a new car only need to take it to back to the dealership for the first service, and thereafter they can take it wherever they want, and no problems about voiding the warranty.
Andy from
Thank you, Jeff. Andy from Solomon Flooring in Rockingham. You always get